Before joining GovLab, I spent 8 years at Google working on consumer product.
I'm a lawyer by trade, formerly worked in insurance recovery litigation.
I work on a number of projects ranging from expert networking to open data.
I'm from Monterrey, Mexico, human rights lawyer. My research involves everything related to crowdsourcing.
I'm a lawyer and I'm also an MS candidate in integrated digital media at NYU's engineering school. And I'm still working on the project that I actually started in Beth's course, which is an open data project looking at New York State Parole Board hearings.
We created GovLab in order to improve people's lives by changing how we govern. My role this year will be on making you smarter on your issue quickly. And how can you also stay in the know when you have identified a baseline of understanding and knowledge?
My work here involves leading the Open Data 500 project, which is a study that we're doing to look at all the ways that open government data is being used by businesses, by organizations, by people who are using it for the common good.
I will be supporting Beth all through the course, but in particular I will be teaching with her in a few of the sessions, the session on upfront problem definition, and later on in the session on communication.
Through the academy, I'm going to experiment together with the students on how can crowdsourcing leverage what they're trying to do.
What I'm hoping to do during the class is to provide my help and experience to students about topics related to product and technology.
For this course, I'm going to be covering some of the legal and policy impediments and barriers, and also a little bit about how we could maybe collectively tackle some of those barriers by applying innovations in tech and governance to our existing legal frameworks.
I'm going to be helping out with having the students get a real feel for what's going on in their fields and connecting the existing literature and projects to their projects so that they have a real base in evidence and an understanding of what's going on out in the world.
I'll be helping out with the platforms and the different technologies that we'll be using to collaborate with each other. Any technical help or questions, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help.
I know the experience well of developing a project that deals with solving public problems, and I'm hoping that I can help students make their projects meaningful and continually growing.